Up on your way. Pregnant. Pregnant bitch. Eating a lazy meal. Mully. Mully. Get camera, Cass. Good girl. Should I get your camera, Cass? Mully. Mully, jump. Jump. Mully. Mully. Come on. Come on, baby. You can do it. Yeah. Oh, you're not up yet, Mully. Mully, come on. What's that? Mully, up. Yeah, good girl. Mully. Oh, God. One down, Mully. Mully, come here. Come on. Mully. Come on. Mully, come on, you end up potting yourself, you stupid nut. I'm videoing now, you know, she's gonna make me a YouTube star. I just asked her to see Mully the dog, because the dog came with kind of dog shoes. She's a weird dog today. What? I'm spinning the... Mully.
You need to clean the room.
Mully, you got your bed? Mully, you got your bed? One. Come on, baby. Here you go, bed. Come on. Come on. Bed. Come on. You got a bed? You coming, Sheena? You got a bed? You got a bed? Mully.
I love you. Baby, I love you.
No, Mully.
Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you.
What are you eating?
Baby, I love you.
Claire, do that thing with the dog with the laser. Mully. Do that. Oh. Make a jump. Right, you want to see a jump? I've told
No,
you.
I can't. Shut the door. Mully. Darling.
Get it, Mully. Get it, Mully. Get it, Mully. No, no, miss that. We'll get her out so we can show her how she can open the door and that.
That's inside the box. Mully.
Get it, Mully. Come on, you stupid idiot.
She done it, did?
No, make her run up the wall. Well, not run up the wall. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Let's get Darling. Come down, swim.
You know what I mean? Jump up in the wall. No, jump.
Mully too.
No, jump. Mully.
Let's make a Mully too.
Get it, Mully. Mully.
Let's make a Mully too.
Mully, get.
Let's make a Mully too. No.
Mully, get it. Mully.
She's getting it. Yummy.
Mully, get it. Oh, that stupid bitch. Say hi to the camera. Say hello to the camera. Say hello.
Hello.
Right, Mully.
Hi. And handy mandy.
Hi. Daddy might watch it. I'm on YouTube.
Let's get over here, Hoover.
Come on.
Let's get over
Mully.
here. No, she's going to open the freezer.
Whoa, you got that?